All right, so we're going to replace a valve, and the faulty, this is an F1 valve, and what happens is you'll get these cracks right around here where the hose was, and you'll get a leak. Now the issue is you've got to cut this valve out. So when you place an order, you want to order the mega size valve. This is a 90. Then you're going to use the packaging to cut a plastic disc. It's very simple, nothing big. Those are the two items. I've taken my marker and I put a little mark over here, and that's the direction the valve is going to be facing. So once I get a little nip, you don't want to cut the other side of the bladder, and you're going to start trimming and go around this edge. All right, now that I have my valve cut out, you want to carefully cut around that edge and get that out of there. Now this is the old valve, that goes away. Now you have your new mega patch stick-on FMK valve, and you're ready to go. So here's my disc. If you can see that, it's kind of hard to see. This comes from the packaging that the valve came in. I have tape here, so I taped it out on a hard surface. This is a glass table we use. So here's my opening, and you don't want to stretch this too far, because if you stretch it too much, you're putting stress on the bladder itself. So I'm going to go in here, and I'm going to place this disc just on the inside. The reason is where I cut this out, I don't want the sticky of the terray to stick to the opposite side. So let's test fit where it's going to go. This is the direction marked that I had. Now I'm going to come in here, a little bit of spray alcohol, clean around the area, get a dry one, try to get any of the residue. You don't want to leave any residue. You'll feel it get clean. Now, once that's done, a thing that we like to do to make sure to top it off is a little hair dryer on low warm. Make sure that that is completely dry. All right. Once that's done, make sure I have everything recentered. Now, when they're megas, I kind of practice where I'm going to place it and where I want it to come out to be. You can mark it if you want. It doesn't matter on the placement of where this goes. But when they're megas, you want to be able and be ready to place that valve on because of the edges. So now that we got this, I'm going to take off the backing. And once that backing is off, again, I want to practice. I use my fingers and make sure this doesn't flop down where I don't want it to, because when these stick, they stick. I've got my direction. I've got my location. Oh, let's try again. And it's all in one smooth motion is what you want. And you want to work from the center out to make sure you have no wrinkles in that material. Now that we have the new valve placed on, this is where we get the hairdryer again, because this terrate or any of these bonding, they bond a lot better when they get a little bit warm. So I'm going to make sure that comes on, gets a little warm. All right, mash that down, pull off your tape, reinstall, and you're ready to go. Got a new valve installed in there. It's not sticking to the opposite side, as you can see. Everything is bonded tight. We're ready to put it back in the wing or kite, and you're ready to go. Anyway, that's Jeff here at FixMyKite.com. That's how you have to fix the valves that you do have to cut out.